When you are finished using the MyAIRVO 2, disconnect the interface from the heated breathing tube by pulling them apart. Clip the breathing tube onto the MyAIRVO 2 stand. If you are using supplementary oxygen, turn off oxygen at this stage before turning off the MyAIRVO 2 unit. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds until a melody sounds. The unit will automatically enter drying mode and dry the tube so it is ready for you to use next time. Drying mode runs for 99 minutes. The unit will automatically turn off when it is finished. After each treatment session, rinse the interface in drinking quality water. Once rinsed, reconnect it to the heated breathing tube whilst still in drying mode to dry the interface. If using the HC360 reusable chamber, remove it from the unit after drying mode is complete by pushing down the finger guard and pulling it out. Wash and rinse the chamber, then refill it with sufficient distilled water for the next use. If using the MR290 chamber, do not wash or remove this chamber. It can be used for up to 2 months before requiring disposal. At the end of each week, the MyAIRVO 2 will require a thorough clean to remove debris and contamination. Remove the water chamber and unplug the unit from the electrical supply. Never carry the MyAIRVO 2 with the water chamber installed. Disconnect the interface from the heated breathing tube and wash it in warm water with mild dishwashing detergent added. Rinse it in drinking quality water and then set aside to dry. If using the HC360 chamber, pour out and discard the remaining water. Remove the chamber base and wash both the chamber top and base in mild dishwashing detergent, then rinse. Soak the chamber in a solution of 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water for 10 minutes. Rinse and dry. If using the MR290 chamber, do not wash this chamber. Carefully put the MR290 chamber aside. Thoroughly wipe the inside of the heated breathing tube connection port with a clean, low-lint cloth dipped in warm water with mild dishwashing detergent added. Wipe the exterior of the unit with a clean, damp but not wet cloth dipped in warm water with mild dishwashing detergent added. Do not use harsh abrasives or solvents, as these may damage the unit. Refit the heated breathing tube and chamber into the unit and reconnect it to the mains utility power socket. The unit is now ready for another week of use.